This tutorial on how to install and use EndNote's Cite While You Write plugin for Windows is brought to you by the University of Washington's Health Sciences Library. In order to download Cite While You Write, you will have to close out of all currently open Word tabs. After logging into your online library, go to the Downloads tab. Click the Download Windows with Internet Explorer plugin link. After downloading, open the folder holding the downloaded file. The Searching for Installed Applications message will be shown. This step may take a few minutes to find all installed applications. When searching is finished, click the Next button in the window showing the applications found. Here, you can enter your name and company information. This is optional. Click Next twice when done. Choose the default option and click Next twice. For EndNote Basic, leave the next available option as it was. Click Next twice more. When installation is finished, click Finish. Open Microsoft Word. You will now see an EndNote tab on the ribbon. Enter your EndNote Basic account information and mark the box to remember my address and password, so you won't need to enter this again in the future. Click the OK button. You are now ready to begin using your online library in Word. Click Insert Citations. From here, you can use keyword searches to find and insert individual references or libraries. These citations will include in-text citations and an entry for the bibliography. Finally, you can use the drop-down menu to choose between EndNote Online's available styles.